Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some WeatherGuard composite accessory mounting panels. Let's get into it. All right, these are little panels that you're going to use for mounting your accessories to your composite bulkhead. So if you get a WeatherGuard Cab Max composite bulkhead, it has little kind of bubbles within it where there's little locations where you can mount holders, a hard hat holder or a fire extinguisher holder or hooks, things like that you can mount to the partition, but you can't just mount those directly to the composite material. You do need to get one of these mounting panels, if you will. This is part number 96905-3-01. It's actually a 2-pack of these panels. And it'll make a little bit more sense when I get this open, what we're dealing with here. Got some hardware here. And then, so these go, there's little locations in the composite material where you can kind of slide this in, and then there's threading right here for mounting your accessories. So I believe your accessory mounts to this location, and you're going to install this on the partition, and you've got your bolts here to mount this to the partition, and then your accessory, your holder, your hard hat holder, your hooks, whatever is going to mount to this, and that will come with the hardware to attach into these inset bolts right here. This is just going to give the rigidity and structure that the partition is going to need to support the weight of whatever you're going to hold on there. It's not going to sag or tear away from that composite material. It's kind of a unique design, the way that they've done this to kind of distribute that weight on the partition. Now in this particular kit, it is a 2-pack. So we're going to have 2 of these. And we also have 2 of these little steel plates here that are going to be used, I believe, on part of the backing. And I think you sandwich the bulkhead with that steel. So you get a full installation guide here. Sometimes they just give you a 1-pager with a QR code, but it looks like we do get the full installation guide here. Shows you how to install it, attach your accessories, and all of that. Nice thing about WeatherGuard products is it does have a limited lifetime warranty, so you're going to be covered for the long haul with this. So pretty simple unboxing here. This is everything that you get, hardware you need, your accessories that you need, and then you can mount your holders, your hooks, whatever it is that you need to mount to the partition. Now, if you're looking for these accessories or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.